everyone, my name is Fiona. Today we're going to be looking at two words that will really help your English pronunciation and listening skills. They look the same and they almost sound the same, but what's the difference? Keep watching to find out why. Let's get started. Okay, this one is tricky, so I really want you to listen hard, okay? I'm going to say the sentence first quickly. Are you ready? We produce produce at the farm. Oh, that one's tough. I know. So, I'm going to say it again, but slower. Second time. Are you ready? We produce produce at the farm. Now I'll show you. Here's the sentence. We produce produce at the farm. What words go in these two gaps? Any ideas? Well, the answer is we produce produce at the farm. They look exactly the same, I know. But the pronunciation here is really important. It changes the meaning and gives you two different words. So let's find out why. Now let's have a look at our two words. We have produce and produce. They're spelled the same, but the meaning and the pronunciation is different. It's a heteronym. What is a heteronym? It's where the two words are spelled the same way, but the meaning and the pronunciation is different. Let's start with the meaning and pronunciation of our first word, produce. Produce is a verb. It means to make something. And I have two sentences to show you. France produces a lot of wine. And cities produce a lot of trash. They make a lot of rubbish. Now let's practice pronunciation. Produce. Produce. Okay, time for word number 2. Produce. Produce is a noun. It means fruits and vegetables. So you might have the produce section at a market. Again, I have two sentences to show you this. I work at the produce section in the market. I work at the produce section in the market. And our second sentence, they have fresh produce every day. They have fresh produce every day. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Produce. Produce. Let's go back to our main sentence. We produce produce at the farm. We produce, we make, we grow produce, fresh fruits and vegetables at the farm. Okay, let's practice together. First, we'll go slow. We produce produce at the farm. Now faster, like a native speaker. We produce produce at the farm. Well done. Great job today, guys. You did really well and we got some awesome listening and pronunciation practice in. Leave a comment down below. I read all of them and I'm always thankful for my students' support. I'll see you in the next video.